Are you tired of the old, bulky, big shower doors? Then look no further more. At George Group, we have this new, sleek design and modern look that will fit your bathroom and does not compromise the functionality of a shower door. This sliding door system is designed to fit seamlessly into any bathroom with a narrow profile that maximizes space and allows you for easy access into your shower. And the best part is, the system can be customized to fit any of your showers without need of lower rail, creating a seamless and stylish look that will impress any of your guests. But don't let the narrow profile fool you. Our shower partition sliding door is built to last, with high quality material and steady construction that can withstand daily use. And with easy installation and maintenance, you'll be enjoying your new shower in no time. After watching this video, I'm very confident that now you no longer use the old big bulky shower doors for your bathrooms, but now you can go for the narrow, modern and sleek shower doors for your bathroom. That's it for today. Remember, at George Group, we got you. We have the latest and the modern shower doors. Remember to subscribe to our channel, give the thumbs like and turn on the notification button. Bye bye.